All right, guys, we got a 2012 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Again. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after. Here's sound decibels again. So it's right at 90. We'll let you guys hear it after. We're going to do a muffler delete and tip. All right, guys, we got a 2012 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. What we got done on it, factory converter, and then it comes true dual from the factory. Secondary converter's there. Then it goes into this resonator that we didn't take off because he didn't want it too loud, but he might come back and take it off and put some vibrance in its place. We'll see. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And then we put some fat 4-inch tips out the back to finish it off, to make it look extra clean and nice. Fill out that gap nicely. Fill up the gap nicely. There's the 2 rear mufflers that were on it that we cut off. Right there, you can see the tips are tiny before. It just looks a lot cleaner with bigger tips. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for those. 2006 Cadillac CTS. Look at that. He just plastic dipped this. Looks really nice. I like it. I like the black. He's gonna do the lights, everything else. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it for him all the way back into 2 MAGNAFLOW Magna packs. Link in the description. Then 2 1/4 out the back on each side, there and there, into some 4-inch blue tips. Right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer now. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. We only have about 20% of our viewers are actually subscribing from the analytics, so please hit that subscribe button. 2011 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter V6. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there and there. Then we did a mid resonator delete. So basically now it's true dual all the way back. The resonator comes in, dual out. Then it's got a factory H pipe all the way in the back, which is kind of weird, but okay. And then it had 2 huge mufflers, one here and one here. We cut it out and put the pipe straight out the back in the middle. And that's how it's set up. As you guys can see, some custom bending going on. 2-inch all the way back, so it's gonna scream. That's what it comes with the factory. There's the 2 mufflers. There's that gigantic resonator. We cut all that off and replaced it with this. It's a CTS 4 3.6 liter. As you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys. Perfect. That is clean. Again? Yeah, don't take that resonator off. It's clean. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again? That's perfect. Rear muffler delete, 4-inch tips. Those tips fitted perfect too. They're clean. Man, that is so deep. I like it. The sound is deep. Got the stripes. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Oh yeah.
It changed the sound completely.
Yeah, it changed it completely.
Whoa! Again? Oh my god. Wow. It's a silent sleeper, man. Here's sound decibels. Wow. What do you think?
That's crazy as hell.
Wow! That is crazy. That's crazy. What's the motor in it?
It's a 3.6 liter. It's a V.
it's because of the location of them in the middle. It's crazy.
I did not expect it to go off like that.
It's got a nice idle too.
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah. They had to come out to hear it. You see that?
Yeah.
Wow! It's so loud. Hell yeah! Wow! Dude, it's hitting off the wall. Wow! Let you guys hear on the inside. Whoa! That's awesome. God. Ah, that's awesome. Here's sound decibels. 118, bro. That's freaking high. That's awesome. So good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. What we got done on it, muffler delete and 4-inch tips. Yeah, baby. That sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys. Wait till this traffic goes. He's gonna get on it for us. So loud. Wow. CTS 3.6 liter coupe. Hey boss, let me get you to move over here.